Hello everyone, welcome you all on our online lecture series on element of machine design subject. In the last lecture we solved one problem on the stresses, and in this lecture we will solve the second problem for the crushing stresses. Now we will dive in the second problem. The problem is determine the smallest size of the punch 10 mm thickness mild steel plate having ultimate shear stress 0.3 kilonewton per mm square. The permissible crushing stress for the hardened punch is 1.3 kilonewton per mm square. Okay, so what we have to determine? We have to determine the smallest size of punch, that means the diameter of punch, and for that purpose we have different parameters that are shear stress and crushing stress. Okay, and the mild steel material is 10 mm thickness that we have to punch. So first of all we will write here the given data. First thing is thickness. Thickness is equal to 10 mm. Then second one is shear stress is equal to 0.3 kilonewton per mm square, but we need in newton per mm square, so we will write here 0.3 into 10 raised to 3, that is newton. So the final unit is newton per mm square. The third one is sigma c, that is crushing stresses, is equal to 1.3, and it is also in kilonewton per mm square, but we will write it in newton per mm square. 1.3 into 10 raised to 3. Okay, newton per mm square. Now first of all, before going to solve the problem, we will understand what is meant by the punch and what we have to find out in this problem. Now the first thing is determine the smallest size of punch. This is a punch and we have to calculate the diameter for the punch, and that punch is going to punch this plate, and this plate is having thickness 10 mm and the material of this plate is mild steel. मतलब अब यहाँ पे क्या होने वाला है, देखिए ये जो पंच है जिसका हमें डायमीटर फाइंड आउट करना है, ये अभी पंच क्या करेगा, ये ऊपर से इस प्लेट में पेनिट्रेट होगा. ओके, पंचिंग करेगा. तो पंचिंग करने के बाद में इसका जो डायमीटर है, ये डायमीटर यहाँ तक आने के बाद में इसका जो मटेरियल है, ये मटेरियल अभी रिमूव हो जाएगा. ओके, तो रिमूव करने के लिए इसकी जो स्ट्रेसेस है, ये स्ट्रेसेस हमें गिवन है. ओके, द फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट वी हैव, अल्टीमेट शियर स्ट्रेस 0.3 kilonewton per mm square, and the permissible crushing stress for the hardened punch is 1.3 kilonewton per mm square. Now here is the punching process. This is the punching process. Now we will draw the diagram in 2D, and you have to draw this diagram in exam also. This is our plate, this is the base part, this is a punch. Okay, when the punch is moving in downward direction, that time the material over here is going to cut, and this is the final process of the punching. Now to punch for the mild steel, we need to identify the diameter of punch. Okay, this is our problem. Now we will solve the problem step by step. First thing is that formula. We know that the formula of stress is equal to sigma is equal to P upon A. This is our basic formula. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to find diameter. Okay, and the diameter is in area. Okay, we know that area is equal to pi by 4 d square. That means if we have area, then we can calculate diameter, but we don't have the area, we are having only stresses. Okay, so first of all we have to find diameter and force also. Now we will write the maximum shear force required to punch a hole. Okay, maximum shear force, that means PS, P for force and S for shear. Now we know that sigma is equal to P upon A, that means force upon area, but we need to find P, so we have to multiply sigma into A. I will write here P is equal to sigma shear multiply by area. Okay, now the shear area is pi into d into thickness. अब यहाँ पे शेयर एरिया मतलब क्या है, देखिए शेयर कौन सा पार्ट होने वाला है, ये जो पंच है, ये पंच डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में आने के बाद शेयरिंग कहाँ पे करने वाला है, इस पॉइंट में और इस पॉइंट में ये शेयरिंग होगा. ओके, तो इसका एरिया कितना होगा, पाई इंटू डी, मतलब पाई डी ये एरिया, और थिकनेस, इसकी जो थिकनेस है ये थिकनेस, मतलब ये हो गया इसका शेयरिंग एरिया. जो कटिंग सेक्शन है, कटिंग सेक्शन का एरिया अब हम यहाँ पे लेंगे, तो पाई डी इंटू टी, दिस इज द shear area that we have to consider while solving the problem. Okay, this is the area. Now I will write here P is equal to sigma S multiply by area. Now the shear stress is equal to 0.3 into 10 to the power 3. This is sigma S, which is given to us, multiply by area, pi into d into thickness, and we know that thickness of material is 10 mm, yet P. Okay, now we have to calculate, and the unknown term here is d. We know the value of pi is equal to 3.4, and the final answer is 9424.78, and d as it is. Okay, now we have the first equation, that is PS is equal to 9424.78 d. Okay, and the unit is Newton. Now the second step is maximum crushing force. Now we have solved it by considering the maximum shear stress. Okay, now we have to solve it by maximum crushing force. We know that sigma C for crushing stress is equal to P of C, that is crushing force divided by area. We have the value of sigma C. Okay, and we have to find out the P of C. So P of C is equal to sigma C multiply by area, that is the crushing area. Now here the crushing area is pi by 4 d square. Okay, now I will write here the value of sigma C 1.3 into 10 to the power 3. If you have some confusion in shear stress, crushing stress, you can see the lecture forces and stresses in our playlist. Multiply by crushing area pi by 4 into d square. Now we have to solve all these points, and the final answer is P of C is equal to 1021.01 d square, and the unit is Newton. This is our second equation. Okay, now up to here we have two equations, and each equation is having the same term, that is diameter. Now we will equate the equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, the first one is 1021.01 d square is equal to, and this equation is 9424.78. okay, 9424.78. here we have only d. Now this d and this d cancel, only remaining one quantity, so we have 1021.01 times of d is equal to 9424.78. now we have only one unknown quantity. This term will divide to the 9421 quantity, and you can find out the diameter. Okay, the final equation is d is equal to 9424.78 divided by 1021.017. okay, and the final answer of diameter of punch is 9.23 mm, and round up we will write 10 mm punch. Okay, this is the second problem of unit number 1.